Krispy Kreme has built a significant reputation as a go-to spot for donuts, but not everyone is convinced by the hype. According to some Reddit users, Krispy Kreme donuts fail to meet the high expectations surrounding the brand. A post on the unpopular opinion Reddit describes Krispy Kreme donuts as gross, with users criticizing the overly sweet taste and lack of texture. While some enjoy the soft and fluffy texture of the classic glazed donut, others feel it lacks the depth and complexity that should come with such a popular dessert. This sentiment is echoed by users on other Reddit threads, such as in a discussion on Krispy Kreme's recent decline, where people report a drop in quality over time. Others, like Redditors from Melbourne, are also questioning whether the brand is worth the hype. In a thread discussing the franchise's offerings, many pointed out that the donuts, while fresh, are often too sweet and lack variety in comparison to other local options. The general consensus among certain customers is that Krispy Kreme's popularity is more about the brand's image and less about the actual product quality.